When I finished Specials, I assumed I was done with the world of uglies. But then I got this idea for a world in which fame was very important, and a world in which everyone's reputation was constantly monitored, everyone was being watched all the time. And I realized how well that fit into the uglies world. And I didn't have to go create an entire other world. I could just take the world that Tally had already changed and remade and use it to write this new book called Extras. The language of the Uglies series comes from a lot of different places. Some of it's Australian slang, some of it's British slang, some of it's words that me and my friends said when we were teenagers, and a lot of it just came naturally out of the world of uglies, where there was plastic surgery and all that stuff. Because teenagers love language so much, and because it's still sort of an unexplored territory for them, it's like an unfinished playground, it makes it great to write for them. They love picking up new kinds of slang, and they love picking up new kinds of new words, and the way those words reflect new experiences they're having. So it makes them terrific readers. It also makes them great writers of poetry, memorizers of song lyrics, and all the other things that are so important to them are all expressed in language. So it's a fabulous audience to write for. The next series I'm working on is called Leviathan. It's going to be an illustrated series. Leviathan is set in 1914. World War I is just beginning. And the romantic leads are on opposite sides of the war. It's going to be very exciting, and I cannot wait to write it, because it's all the stuff that I loved when I was young. Plus, there's going to be lots and lots of art.